Subscribe and click the bell icon for all the television updates.
डेबीना और गुरमीत टेलीविजन के चहेते कपल्स में से एक है। वो दोनों बिल्कुल मौका नहीं छोड़ते अपना प्यार दिखाने के लिए और एक दूसरे की टांग खींचने के लिए। डेबीना पूरी तरह से तैयार है अपना विश कन्या का ये किरदार निभाने के लिए। उनके नए शो विश अ पॉइजनस लव स्टोरी में उनके पति गुरमीत का कुछ बहुत ही फनी रिएक्शन था इस बात पे। तो जब डेबीना से उनके रामायण में सीता के किरदार निभाने से लेकर विश कन्या के किरदार निभाने तक के सफर के बारे में पूछा तो उन्होंने कुछ ये जवाब दिया। It has been a wide range of experience. We took a leap of faith. It has been challenging because we don't know yet whether the character is going to be accepted or not. Even during Ramayan, I had no idea if I would be accepted in the role of Sita and later had the fear of being typecast. But it has always worked for me when I take such chances. डेबीना का मानना ये है कि एंटागोनिस्ट के किरदार काफी आसान है एज कम्पेयर टू सीधी सादी सीता के रोल से। It's very easy to portray the role of an antagonist. It's difficult to play a role of a goddess. बुरा बनने में ज्यादा वक्त नहीं लगता, अच्छाई को टिका के रखने में ज्यादा टाइम लगता है। It's easier to ruin an image than build a positive image. I don't think it will be difficult for me to play this role. It's rather challenging to play the role of an entertaining antagonist. We have seen many villains on TV. My character won't be a boring one. I have tried to keep it interesting. Audience would want to know what will happen next. डेबीना ने विश में काम करने के लिए एक दूसरे शो को ठुकरा दिया था। I was offered 2 shows, one being Wish. I had to say no to the other show because I wanted to be a part of Wish. With a thorough conviction, I agreed to the role. I wanted to explore this territory. Nagin and Wish Kanya are part of Indian fairy tales. डेबीना ने विश में अपने इस विश कन्या के किरदार निभाने के लिए कई लुक्स ट्राई किए। We did around 20 mock shoots and look tests to get the mood and nuances of the character. Meanwhile, we were going through a lot of trial and error to understand the chemistry between all the actors and many things. और अगर गुरमीत की बात करें तो देखिए डेबीना बताएगी कि कितना हिलेरियस रिएक्शन था गुरमीत का। गुरमीत was absolutely convinced that I could play the part. He said, "अरे, you are going to play yourself on screen. You will do very well." He kept teasing me and said, "Wish, wish." डेबीना को जब फैमिली प्लानिंग के बारे में पूछा तो उन्होंने कहा, "Definitely, but not right away. We have never hidden anything and whenever we plan a family, we'll tell everyone. But we want to be confident about it. We are not saying that we won't have kids. I believe it's very important to have someone whom you call your own when you grow old." डेबीना ने अपने और गुरमीत के राम सीता के रोल की वजह से टाइपकास्ट होने के इस डर को भी जाहिर किया। Gurmeet and I had the fear of being typecast in roles similar to Rama and Sita from Ramayan. We took part in all the reality shows so that the audience could see our real self. We were blessed to be working in the time when reality shows were booming. It is then people start recognizing you by your real name and not your character name. डेबीना को बिग बॉस में जाने का कोई इंटरेस्ट नहीं है। I am not too comfortable to be a part of Big Boss. Gurmeet and I did a similar kind of show, पति पत्नी और वो. There are 2 kinds of reality shows, what you want to show and what you get to see. I want to keep my private life absolutely private and not bring it out in the open. आप सभी का क्या ख्याल है डेबीना के विश कन्या के रोल निभाने का? हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताना ना भूले और टेली वर्ल्ड की खबरें जानने के लिए टेली मसाला से बने रहिए।